won't believe the incredible technique these firefighters are using to combat wildfires, capable of stopping the spread of flames in its tracks. Instead of relying solely on water, they are strategically scattering fire starters into the grass. It may seem counterintuitive, but the old adage "fight fire with fire" holds true in this scenario. When faced with massive forest fires that outpace the effectiveness of water, firefighters resort to a clever tactic. They preemptively burn the combustible materials a safe distance ahead of the advancing fire front. By creating a buffer zone devoid of fuel, the fire naturally extinguishes itself upon reaching this area, as there is nothing left to consume.